10 inspirational quotes by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. First, I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity. Second, the history of India is nothing but a history of mortal conflict between Buddhism and Brahmanism. Third, I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. Fourth, man are mortal, so is idea, and idea needs propagation as much as plant needs watering, otherwise both will wither and die. Fifth, law and order are the medicine of body politic, and when body politic gets sick, medicine must be administered. Sixth, democracy is not merely a form of government, it is a mode of associated living conjoined of communicated experience. Seventh, I am what I am because of this mind of mine, but I would not be anything like this without the mind of others. Eighth, history shows that whenever there is a conflict between ethics and economics, victory is always with economics. Ninth, freedom of mind is real freedom. A man whose mind is not free, though he may not be in chain, but is a slave and not free. A man whose mind is not free, though he may not be in prison, but is a prisoner and not free. A man whose mind is not free, though alive, but is no better than dead. Freedom of mind is the proof of one's real existence. And 10th, we must stand on our feet and fight as best as we can for our right. So carry on hesitation, form your forces, pride and prestige come to you through struggle. Jai Hind.